I'm playing the violin and using the bow and the strings, I play with a relaxed arm. So my shoulder is relaxed and the top part of my arm is probably about 45 degrees at a 45-degree angle to the side of my body. So if you can see it like this. And I'm playing about a centimetre from the bridge. The bow here is flat on the violin strings, and I'm looking to make a smooth sound when I play.